Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Willy channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet triangle earrings and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use Rico essential yarn and hook number 2mm as shown now to make that a crochet earrings. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a magic ring as shown. Then make a chain. And make single crochet into that magic ring. And make 5 chains, then close with the slip stitch to make a picot stitch. Then make 2 single crochet stitches inside that magic ring. Then make 5 chains and close with slip stitch to make a picot stitch. Then repeat that again. So I will make 2 single crochet stitches inside that magic ring and make 5 chains and close with slip stitch to make a picot stitch, to have 3 picot stitch into the magic ring. Then close with slip stitch. Then start round 2. I will make a chain and make single crochet. Then make 5 chains. And make 5 double crochet together into the next picot stitch. Then make 5 chains and make single crochet stitch here, then make 5 double crochet together into the next picot stitch as shown, and repeat with the same sequence across the row, then close with slip stitch. Now I finished that round. Then I will start round 3. I will make 8 chains and close with slip stitch into the 5th chain to make the picot stitch as shown now. Then make 5 chains again and make single crochet into the last chain of next 5 chains as shown now. I will make single crochet into the last chain, Then make 5 chains again and make single crochet into the first chain of next 5 chain as shown now. I will make single crochet here. Then make 5 chains again and make double crochet above next single crochet stitch as shown now. Here above single crochet from the previous row. Then make 5 chains again and close with slip stitch to make a picot stitch. Then make 5 chains again and make single crochet above last chain of next 5 chains as shown now. Then make 5 chains again and make single crochet above first chain of next 5 chains. Then repeat with the same sequence across the row and close with 2 chains and double crochet here to close that round. Then I will start round 4. I will make single crochet into the same stitch as shown now. Then make 5 double crochet into the picot stitch. Then make 5 chains and close with slip stitch into the third stitch to make a picot stitch as shown now. Then make a chain and make 5 double crochet into the same picot stitch as shown now. Then make single crochet into the next space as shown now. I will make single crochet here, then make 5 chains and make single crochet into the next space. Then make 5 chains again and make single crochet into the next space again with the shape. Then make 5 double crochet into the next picot stitch. Then make 5 chains again and close with slip stitch into the 5th chain as shown now to make a picot stitch, and make a chain and make 5 double crochet again into the same picot stitch as shown now. Then repeat with the same sequence across the row and close with slip stitch. Then cut the yarn and fasten off. Then join the earrings hook as shown. Now I finished that triangle crochet earrings and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.